Christina Rodriguez and I am your tutor for today. So today we're going to learn about redox chemistry. Here we go! So what is oxidation, reduction, redox reaction? Let's come and learn.
So, in oxidation, reduction, redox reaction, a reaction involving electron transfer. Take for example for the single replacement reaction. So, what will happen if we write it the net ionic equation? So, iron plus copper sulfate 4 resulted to iron sulfate 4 plus copper. So, the sulfate is cancelled. So, here is the result. And we see that the only chemistry that has occurred is that 2 electrons are transferred from iron to copper. So iron has lost electrons, so it has been oxidized. And copper has gained electrons, so it has been reduced. It may seem confusing to associate a reduction with a gain of electrons, so instead associate reduction with a reducing of change. Copper 2 plus had its charge reduced to 0 when it gained 2 electrons. So more electrons means a more negative or lower charge. The substance that is oxidized is the reducing agent, because it's the thing that caused the reduction in the other substance. Likewise, the substance that is reduced is the oxidizing agent because it caused the oxidation in the other substance. So, we will use the oxidation numbers to keep track of electron flow. These are like hypothetical change values or charge values rather for each atom in a molecule, but they are not actual electrical charges. So in further videos, you will learn the rules for signing oxidation numbers. So in short, these equations help us to learn how to identify the oxidation redox reaction or oxidation numbers.
So those are the oxidation, reduction, redox reactions. So here are some rules for assigning oxidation numbers. So for an element, the oxidation number is always 0. If it's a monatomic ion, the oxidation number is the same as the charge on the ion. So oxygen is almost always -2, except for in peroxide, so we can usually assume -2. So for a neutral molecule, oxidation numbers must add up to 0. So if the oxygen in carbon dioxide are each -2, so the carbon must be +4. So for a polyatomic ions, the oxidation numbers must add up to the charge on the ion, and the hydrogen is almost always +1. So using these numbers of oxygen and hydrogen, we can usually assign all the other numbers accordingly. So those are the rules for assigning oxidation numbers for us easily to apply it in calculating the oxidation, reduction, redox reaction in each element. So let's come and watch and learn. Let's go. So this is now the reaction. So we have here Pb oxygen plus CO plus resulted to Pb plus CO2. So now let's find the oxidation number of Pb. So as we can see on the rules, Pb is not on the rules for specific atoms or periodic table group. So Pb here is considered as X. So oxygen now is -2. So na siya oxidation number nga -2. So atong i-calculate karon si X para makuha na to ang oxidation number ni Pb. So X plus -2 equals 0. So now we have here X -2 is equal to 0 and X is equals to +2. So now the oxidation number of Pb is +2. So now let's proceed to carbon. So si carbon here is considered as X, and oxygen here is usually is -2. So si X atong i-compute si X plus -2 equals to 0, which is X -2 equals 0, and X is equals to positive 2. So the oxidation number now of carbon is positive 2. So that's ato na siya nakuha. Then ato na pong i-next karon ang si product. So si PB here is considered as 0. So na siya yung oxidation number nga 0, which is wa man siya tapad, and also siya lang usa din na wala po siya sa rules for specific atoms or periodic table groups. So ato siya na consider as 0 ang ihang oxidation numbers. And now we have carbon. So si carbon here ato ni siyang i-considered as X. So si oxygen as usual na siya negative 2 na oxidation number. So X plus negative 2 equals to 0. So X negative 2 equals 0. So X now is equals to positive 2. So the oxidation number now of carbon is naman siya here naman siya 2 ang oxygen. So atong i-times si 2 sa atong nakuha na X, which is ang oxidation number now of carbon is positive 4. So now, observing the reaction, we can find now the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent. So the reducing agent now is the carbon, which is from here is nag-gain siya og electrons. So mo ni siya ang reducing agent, which is ang atong reducing agent is si C, which is nag-gain siya og electrons from here and from there. So from there and from here, so si carbon here is nag-positive 2 siya, din pag abot diri nag-positive 4 siya. So it means nag-gain siya og electrons, which is siya ang reducing agent. Now the oxidizing agent is si C. P rather. So si P here, so pag-abot diri ni P is nag-lose siya og electrons. So which is siya ang oxidizing agent. So now we learn how to get the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent, which is ang from this equation ang atong reducing agent is the carbon and ang atong oxidizing agent is the P, which is si carbon is nag-gain siya og electrons from here to there, and also si P is nag-lose siya og electrons from here to there. So thank you for watching for our tutorial on how to get the oxidation numbers in each elements. Thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to us here at my channel. I am your Sana Rodriguez and at your service. Thank you.